Oh my god. What is up, dudes and dudettes? Today we're going to talk about an IPO that I've been waiting for 4 years. I've been waiting for this IPO for 4 years. If you guys know, this company called EXFY, which is set to be IPOing tomorrow. And thanks for Robinhood's new feature where you can invest in IPOs. I actually dumped in some money into EXFY, and I honestly think it's going to be the next unicorn stock. I've been keeping tab on this company since my freshman year of college, so more than 4 years now. Wait a sec, yeah, damn, I'm old now. But anyways, I've been a fan of this company. I've been using this app on things a long time ago, and I honestly love this concept. I was gonna be their ambassador and connect them with some Asian sales and trying to push it to the Asian market, but it turned out that there's something else that does similar things, and because accounting standards are a little bit different in different places, so something doesn't work. But I'm gonna show you how exactly it works. So let's just say you have, oh my god, you have a sheet of paper right here, right here, and let's just say you have a lot of, let's just say it's a receipt. Let's say we go to Whole Foods, you have Whole Foods receipt, and you have, let's just say I bought a tomahawk steak today, I bought some garlic, I bought some potato, I bought some, I think I bought some thyme, I bought some fresh squeezed orange juice, blah blah blah. Because guess what, guys? I'm gonna make some homemade gourmet grilled Texan style tomahawk tomorrow, and it's gonna be tasting really good. And let's just suppose that you actually went on a business trip, and let's say you're a traveling chef, and just happened that you're gonna cook your client the exact same thing, and it just happened that your client said, okay, so just give me your receipt, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a picture of this receipt, and then EXFY from this picture will literally automatically categorize all of these things into certain categories of your expenses. And you can send your expense report to your boss, to your client as an invoice, or you can do so many things with the app. And the reason why this app is so good is because it's literally one of its kind. Okay, now it sounds like I'm pitching this app to you, but honestly, I've been waiting for this IPO for more than 5 years now, okay? And I honestly think this company was, like, the first year it was out, I was predicted it's gonna be over $1 billion. And right now, the valuation is at $2.18 billion, and its IPO price is $27 per share. I think honestly, if tomorrow morning it dips, it probably won't. If it goes up, I might even add more. If it dips, I will double down my position on EXFY. I think this is one of the most important app that any small business owners and even big businesses need to use. Because if you're traveling on a company account, if you want to expense all of your expenses on a company trip, there's no other easier way to literally do the exact same thing. And this is the industry leader in this area. And if you really think about how the app makeup is really doing itself, like for example, like the recognition system, because they've been running for more than 4 years, remember? More than 5 years. Like when I first heard of them, they were already on their second year of operations. So technically speaking, they're literally in their Uber stage. And then they're more mature than Uber. Remember when Uber went public, they actually don't have, what they're doing is their business model is actually not that great, and every ride they give out to customers, they actually lose money because they're trying to do a lot of market penetration. But right now for EXFY, their business model is really refined, and if you look at how much money they make in terms of like revenue wise and net income, like guys, EXFY generated $65 million in revenue during the first half of 2021, up from $40.6 million in the first 6 months of 2020. Imagine during the pandemic, people's expense like literally shrink, right? And then people's expense shrink, that means the need for company trips is gonna shrink. And then guess what? The world's gonna open up next March according to my calculation. And if you guys want to know how do I know that's gonna be March, keep tuned and keep an eye out for my Pfizer video. In that video, I'm gonna show you guys first time to the world of my progression line or regression line of how COVID is gonna go in the next few months. And then from there, you will see that my predictions have already come true. And as number 2, I told them about, Pfizer's pill coming out early November. I talked about COVID cases is definitely going to drop around late October. And I told everybody about a lot of supply shocks not going to end until early 2022. But anyways, the start of this video is EXFY. I don't want to stress anymore about how much I love this company. And honestly speaking, I'll hold it for long, and depending on how much it drop on the first day and then maybe the first week, and by looking at by reviewing their S1 more detailingly tomorrow when the market open and reviewing a lot of their ownership structure, I might end up making this one of our long-term investment into our portfolio, right? You guys all know that Fisker is our long-term investment. Our entry point is $9, $11, and $12, and guess what? It's almost 20 now, right? We have Lucid, but we don't see it as a long-term, but we see it as a medium-term investment. Our entry price is $19. And what else do we have? All of our long-term investments are paying off so well. And just by me saying that, you know that I do really believe in EXFY. I actually do. I'm literally so pumped right now that it's gonna go public tomorrow. And I honestly think I didn't dump enough money into it. Because I only placed a very small position because I was playing with energy. I've been doing energy trade for the past month and it's been going really well. So I don't really want to break my pattern as of right now. And I honestly think I didn't buy enough shares of EXFY, and hopefully I will get time to add. This company definitely worth at least $1.8 billion in terms of how much sales, how many customers they're gonna get, and in terms of how much revenue they're already been making. Okay. Anyways, this is it for this video. Hopefully it's not too late for you guys to hop on this sort of a pre-IPO train. Sorry I was gonna post this video 2 days ago, but as you know, yesterday was the last day of my last midterm, and turned out that today was the deadline for a very huge project that I actually don't know about, but apparently because Didi is smart, we already finished the project. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get an A on it, so this is a really great day. And if you like those kind of content and you want me to cover more IPOs, because I actually know a lot of these IPO companies, and A, I used to work for VC, and B, I have tabs everywhere, okay? And if I see promising companies, I'll put it in my mind castle and then come back to it. EXFY, absolutely amazing. Been waiting for this for 5 years, literally more than 5 years. All right, I can describe how excited I am. Anyways, if you guys like this kind of content, smash a like button, and you know that it will help us a lot if you sub, and turn on that notification button. See you guys on the upside tomorrow.